anyway, so this is not visible now. Ideally visible or not?
Not
No,
visible,
sir.
sir.
Only
Sir,
PPT is
can
visible.
you means you can minimize the PPT and open ideally, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now it's coming.
No, sir.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now anyway, so we'll go for the PPTs only. Okay. Now look at here. I'll explain each and everything in detail. You are sharing the screen. Okay. So recording now. Mute yourself. Okay. Opened. Okay. Now look at here. Prices. Okay. Now screen is visible. Yes or no?
Sir, PowerPoint is visible, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. PowerPoint is visible. Okay. We'll see that why it's not coming. I'll check. Okay. Try to get the ideally in the next class. Okay. Now prices. Now look at here. Prices is one list here. Now these are prices dot sort. Then I'm printing. Print prices. So print prices. Now look at here. All these are in the ascending order. Look at here. All these are in the ascending. Ascending. So, all these are what in the ascending order, right? Next. No, don't talk, please. Please mute yourself. No, mute yourself. What I'm saying. Now look at here. Prime numbers is a one. Two, 3, 5, 7, 11. Yes or no? Version. Unmute yourself, Sudarshan. Now, next thing is the vowels. Vowels is there. Now, vowels, instead of AEIOU, here I have written a random order. Hello, Sudarshan.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Oh, now vowels is there. In vowels is a one list. E, A, U, O, I. But these are not in the order, right? Vowels dot sort. Then print. I'm giving some message in between the two single quotations. Sorted list. This is printed as usually, comma, vowels. Then in the vowels, what is there? What are the things are there? Sorted order is there. A, E, I, O, U. That printed. Next, sort the list in a descending order. Now look at here. This is the vowels is the list. Here we have vowels are there, and vowels dot sort. We are keeping a some condition. Reverse is equal to true. Reverse is equal to true. Then print. Now we are giving some message up to here. Some message, whatever you give, that is this is the message in between the two single quotes. In between two single, this is the message. Sorted list in descending order. This is printed as usually. Next, vowels. In the vowels, what here? They are in the descending order. U, O, I, E, A. Getting? Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Next. Yes, ask me.
Sir, instead of that, we write one more step. Vowels dot reverse.
Vowels dot
reverse.
that okay. Vowels dot reverse actually that will not work out. So because here sort we are, then how to use the sort function? Sort function we cannot use. So that might be working in case of string, only particular string. But here list is our collection of items, and we are using the sort method. So that's why you have to use sort only. And so vowels dot sort reverse is equal to true. So this is the way we can do it. Next, append method. Append method will add some elements to your, okay, some and not some, only one element at the end of the list. For example, here month is a one list is there. Months is a list. Here three elements are there. Okay, Jan, Feb, March. Months dot, this is the months. Months dot append of, okay, append of what I'm providing argument, April. Now then automatically this April is appended at the last. Now print of months, then output is what? Jan, Feb, March, April. Now look at here, this is whatever April is there, that is printed at the last. Understood? Yes, Keshav?
Sir,
Yes,
Ah,
sir.
any doubt
sir,
here?
sir, your screen is stuck, sir.
No, it is visible now.
Yes, sir.
So
Visible.
visible, huh?
Not screen, sir. Your video was stuck.
My video is stuck.
Now it's okay, sir.
Okay. Now look at here. This so months is equal to here. Earlier months is what you know, this months is what list here. Now here only three elements are there, but we want to append one element, right? Now months dot don't so here M is capital is there. Don't that is a printing mistake. So months dot append this months dot append, then you provide a argument April, then print this, then automatically, so the output is what here? Jan, February, March. At the last, earlier last is what here? March is there. Now after appending April, now April is the what here? Last item. April is the last item in the list. Next, extend method. For this we'll see the example. Now list is equal to 1, 2, 3. I'm taking integers here, right? List is having three elements, three integer elements. List dot extend of, I'm inside, okay, in the extend function I'm providing a one list as argument, This list is having what here? How many elements? Three elements, 4, 5, 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Three elements I am passing. Then after that, the existing list. Now this, so this 4, 5, 4 is appended at the last. Next 5 is appended. Next 6 is appended. Then I'm okay, list, print of list. If you can here in the interactive mode, directly you can, okay, directly you can write the list here, enter the list, or else print of list, both are same, print of list. Then look at here, the extended list is what here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 elements are there. Earlier it was only 3 elements are there. Once you apply the extend method, through extend method you are appending 3 elements. Then after the extended list is what here? 6 elements. 6 elements are there. Getting or not? No, no interaction.
Yes, sir.
Then so just you have to say yes or no, because
Yes, sir.
that gives me a confirmation you have understood that. So the whether you are understood or not. Okay. Next, index method. Okay. Now already I explained this theory part. Now look at here. Months is a list. Now Jan, February, March, April. Okay. May is there, and here instead of, okay, now look at here, May, this is not May, this is the printing mistake, this is the March, last is the March, this is, so this is by mistake it has May is there, but this is the March. Look at here. Look at here. Months is equal to Jan, Feb, March, April. Again, March only, not May. March only. March item number, item March has appeared how many times? How many times? Yes. In
Sir,
place of
2 times.
in place of May, just to leave it May. This is printing. Okay, just printing mistake.
Sir. Sir, two times.
Two times. Now, first
yes,
time
yes.
at which index it has appeared?
First
Zero
time at
index.
Second place,
second.
sir.
Second index. Now, months
Second
dot
index.
index of March. March is what year? The index is what year? This index
Two. Second.
Two is printed.
Yes,
Two
sir.
is printed. Okay, next. Now, max function. So, max function. Now, look at here. Look at here. Prices are there here. Prices. How many elements are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 elements are there. Out of all these things, which one is the maximum? Yes. Out of 7 elements, 77.2. That is
sir.
max of prices. Max of prices. Okay, you are getting 77.2. Or else you can also print here. Print of max of prices. That is also gives the same result. That also gives the same result. Max of prices. Okay, no problem. Otherwise, what here? Print of max of prices. Both are same. Next, minimum function. It gives the minimum value. Now I am taking a. Yes.
What if
Yeah.
more than, I mean,
Ah.
if 77.2 repeated twice, sir?
Even so, even though so whichever is maximum, even if it is repeated 10 times also, okay, same value is repeated to 10 times also. That is it a maximum or not? Is it a maximum or not?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Even any value repeated any number of
10 times
times,
also.
then the maximum function duty is what here? The max value will be printed.
Yes, sir.
Irrespective of the duplicates. Duplicates, we can have any number of duplicates, but
Yes, sir.
it will check all. It will check all. Then out of all these things, which one is the maximum?
77.2.
That is printed. Next,
Yes, sir.
minimum function.
If we want to print,
Which one?
sir, if we want to print maximum value with index number, what
Index
we
number.
should do?
Okay, then for that I will show the index number. So index function I'm going to explain after this. Okay, and next index. Then max. Okay, prices dot index of. Okay, then the max value. That means what here? So index dot max of prices. We have to print. Then the maximum index. The index of maximum will be printed here. Getting another index dot. Okay, max of prices. So
Sir?
whose index is
Sir,
printed.
if 77.2 is repeated, what index number I will get?
Okay, so first appearance, first time when it has occurred, first time. Okay.
sir.
Next, min function. Min function will return the bottom value or rock bottom value from the inputted values. For example, in this example, we will find a month with now here taking one store. For example, a general store, or we can say a supermarket. Now here we are taking the consumers list and items. Now totally in 3 months we are taking it. In the 3 months, okay, which item is leastly sold? Which item is leastly sold? So tiniest consumer indicator. So this is CPI is what? Tiniest. Okay, tiniest consumer indicator. So that is, or we can say consumer price indicator. Now look at here. This is the minimum function I will apply here. Here in this example, we'll find the month with tiniest consumer indicator and identify the minimum price. First, we are identifying the min price. Next, we will use the index method to look at the index of that min price. Index of the min price. Now you will see here example. For example, months is equal to January, February, March. So the three items are there. Yes or no? Next, prices in the January, how much? 238.11. In the February, 237.81. Then March, 238.91. Now identify the minimum price first. Min price is equal to min of prices. Min is a function to which we are passing what here? Prices list. Then automatically, which is minimum out of these three? Which is minimum? Which is minimum? Yes.
2007, sir.
237.81. Now that is assigned to min price. Now we are printing min price. Then that will be printed. That will be printed. Next, min index. Now that index also we want to print it. So here the minimum price will be 237. Here 237.81 is printed. And what is that index here? This is 0. This is 1. Index is what here? 1. We want to print that index also. Minimum price index. Now min index is equal to prices dot index of min price. Index of min price. So that index is assigned to min index variable. Now print min index. Then that is printed. Now look at here. So the output is what here? So simply, if we take it here, so min month is equal to, okay, min month is equal to months of min index. Months of min index. This is coming to here. And next printing here. Simply, so what first thing is min index is what here? 1 is printed. First in the first one here, print minimum price. Minimum price is what here? 237.81. Next, what you are printing? Prices dot index of min price. Index is assigned to min index. Then we are printing it. Now my value is what? 1. Next, then months of minimum index. Okay, which month it is? Months, okay, of min index. Then this is assigned to min month. Then price of print of min month. Then which month it is? February. Look at here. So 3, we are applying 3 here. First thing is what? We are identifying minimum price. Okay, min of prices. Okay, the minimum price is coming to here. Print minimum price. Then that is printed here. Look at here. That is printed. Okay, 237 is printed. 237.81 is printed. Next, we want to print the use index also. Prices dot prices is a list. Index of min price. That is assigned to min index. Now we are printing that one. Okay, 1 is printed. Next is what here? Now we want to the minimum index month also we want to print. February is the minimum index price. Then month of min index. Now that month is assigned to min month. Then printing here. Print of min month. February is printed. So this is a just if you execute this complete code on the script mode, then you will get this output, right? Next, length function. Length function returns the number of elements in a specified list. Now, if you see, for example, list 1 is equal to how many items are there? Only 1 item. List 2 is equal to how many items are there? 3 items are there. Now, print of list 1 length is, this is the return, this is entered in the 2 quotes. This is a string. As this is, it is printed. As this it is printed. Length of list 1 is what here? Only 1. 1 is printed. Next, print. List 2 length is, list 2 length, how many items are there? 3. So length is what here? 3 is printed. Next, clear function. The clear method removes all elements from a specified list and convert them to the empty list. Empty list. Now we'll see here. Months is equal to this is one list. Now here, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Then months dot I'm applying a clear function. Clear function duty is what here? It will remove all the items in the given list. Given list is what here? Months is a given list. Now it will clear every, so that means what here? It will remove the January, February, March, April, May, all. Then print of months of clear. Simply none, it can print it none or empty list. Empty list is just shown by what here? Opening square bracket and closing square bracket. Getting? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, insert function. Insert method actually used to insert some value at a required position, at required index. Position is what? Index. Now you'll see the example. Now fruits is a one list. Now in this one, apple, banana, cherry. 3 items are there. Now fruits dot is the fruits is what here? List dot insert. For insert function, we are providing a 2 parameters. One is the 2 is what here? Index. At second index, we are inserting a pineapple. We are inserting a pineapple. Actually, at second index, what is there? At 0th index, apple is there. 1 index, banana is there. And second index, cherry is there. But at second index, what we are inserting? Yes?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Now, after that, okay. Then print here. So our print of fruits and or else just directly enter the fruits. Apple, banana. In the second place, you have pineapple. Then last place is what? Cherry. Earlier cherry was at index 2, but now this is index at index 3, because at index 2 we inserted the pineapple. Getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next is the one more. Num list is equal. Just I have taken some numbers here. A list is having some numbers. Now where num list is equal insert of third position. At third position, third index, I want to insert a 21. Okay. In the given list, num list, number list. In this third index, what is the value? 0th index 12. 1 index
65.
31. Second index, okay, index 2 41 is there. Index 3, what is there?
65.
65.
65.
Now we are inserting in place of 65, we are inserting what here? 21. Then num list, print it. Okay, num list. After that, now look at here. In place of 65, okay, 21 is printed. Then 65 is moved to the next position. Okay, 12 is printed, 31 is printed, 41 is printed. Now, at the third index, 21 is inserted. Then 65, earlier 65 position was what? Third, okay, third, but now it is moved to the fourth position. This is the thing. Next, at second index. Okay, second index. So, in second index, at second index, I want to insert a 10. Now look at here. One more example. Num list is equal 12, 31, and here heterogeneous items are there. Heterogeneous. One is these two are integers. This is a string, and this is a floating point value. This is the integer, and it's a character, and it's the boolean, and it's an integer. Totally, how many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many items are there? Yes. Please be interactive. How many items are there? Sudarshan?
8, sir.
8 items. 8. And now at second index, what is there in the list? Second index.
College.
College. In place of college, now what we are inserting?
10.
10 inserting. Then college is moved to the next position.
So fourth place.
So now look at here. Num. Okay. Then this is inserted. And after inserting, the inserted list is coming here. The result list is coming and storing in the num list. Then num list we are printing. Then okay, 12, 31, 10, then college, then remaining asterisk. Right. Next, any doubt here? No. Next, count function. count method returns the number of elements with a desired value. So desired value means here, for example, fruits is there. Fruits is on list. Now in this, how many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items are there. Out of these 5 items, I want to count the cherry, how many times it has occurred. Cherry, how many times it has occurred? 1,
3 times.
2, 3. Next, now fruits dot this list dot count, and I'm applying a particular element cherry. Now this is count is coming to which variable? X variable. Now I'm printing the X. Now totally this is what here 3. It's a 3. Directly can also enter here X. Instead of print of X, directly you can also enter X. Then it gives the result 3. Getting?
Sir,
Next, one more example. List is
sir,
equal
one
to.
doubt.
Yes. Ask me.
Sir, apart from number of times, we want to find at what index cherry has appeared. What should we do, sir?
What?
At what index cherry has appeared? Sir, I can't hear you.
The index position you want it.
Yes, sir. Suppose in this example, cherry has appeared at 0, 2, and 4, sir. I want to find even that index position also. What should we do, sir, then?
In such cases, you have to individually.
Sir, I can't hear you.
You have to go on applying the index of fruits of count of, okay, then this fruits of cherry, index of fruits of cherry, or fruits of index. Just index method you have to apply. If you apply the index method, okay, index method, then a cherry will be occurring. Just you try it, you will get it. And otherwise, just you post it to me. If you are not able to get it, then I'll answer it. Next example is list. One more list. Here only integers are there. How many integers are there? Here I am taking the strings. Elements are strings. But here in this list, I am taking only integers. Right. Now I want to, here 3 is occurred how many times?
2 times.
Look at here. How many times 3 has
2 times.
2 times. Now list dot count of 3. Count of 3. So 3 count is what? 2. 2 is assigned to Z variable. Then print of Z is equal to what? 2. Print of Z is equal to what? 2. Right. Next, pop function. Pop, here we have seen pop function example is here. Pop is a method which removes the element at the required position. At particular position, we have to give the position. Then it will remove that item. For example, fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry, orange, pineapple. Now fruits dot pop 2. Pop 2 means what here? Index 2. Index 2, what is there?
Cherry, sir.
Cherry. Cherry will be removed. After that, after removing cherry, now so this is then if you again print the fruits. Now pop up 2, that is cherry is removed, and the remaining list will be in the fruits only. Now fruits, you print the fruits. Now look at it: apple, banana, orange, pineapple. Cherry is no more here. Cherry is no more here because it is removed here. Getting or not? So pop method is used to remove the element at particular position or required position. For example, list fruits dot pop of 3. What will be removed?
Orange.
Orange will be removed. Then orange will be removed. That is coming. Then so after orange is removed, remaining will be printed. Next, remove function. What is the difference between the pop and remove? We'll see. remove method removes the first occurrence of an element with a specified value. Now look at here. Fruits is a list, and apple, banana, cherry, orange, and pineapple. So now look in this one, fruits dot remove. Okay, fruits dot remove bananas. Banana. I'm removing the what? Banana. Here I'm not giving the index here. The element I'm giving. Element I'm giving. In case of the pop, I'm giving what here? Index. Okay, I'm giving the index. Look at here. I'm giving what? Index. To index. Whatever the element is there, that will be printed. That will be removed. But here I'm removing the particular element. Now remove fruits dot remove of banana. Banana will be removed. Suppose now you have a doubt here. Sir, banana is appearing more than one time. Then what? Then what? Yes. How? So any place banana is there, all will be removed. How many number of times banana is occurring? All these times. If suppose banana is occurring 3 times, that will be removed. Getting or not? What is the difference between remove and pop?
సార్ పాప్ లోనేమో ఇండెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ ఇస్తాం సార్
Very good.
రిమూవ్ చేయడానికి.
Yes.
రిమూవ్ లోనేమో స్ట్రింగ్స్ ఇచ్చేస్తాం.
String అని కాదు, particular element in the list. Here this of course this is a string, but that is the element, right? Next. So then after removing that, the result is this one. Yes.
ఓకే సార్, ఈ మోర్ దెన్ వన్ ఐటమ్ ని మనం రిమూవ్ చేయొచ్చా సార్ లిస్ట్ లో నుంచి?
లిస్ట్ నుంచి ఒకేసారి మోర్ దెన్ వన్ ఐటమ్. Yes, we can. Why not? We can. So clear is the method is there. Clear. It clears all the elements.
No sir, not all the elements. Just two remove చేయాలనుకున్నాము.
Then we have to give the indexes as well as the elements. Index. We have to give the index positions. What are the index positions elements you want to remove? Those indexes you have to give to the pop method. Then it will remove it. Next, fruits is equal to this. Next, one more example. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry, orange. Again banana occurred 2 times. Look at here. Banana occurred 2 times. Now which one is? Now I am removing what banana here. I am removing the banana. Banana how many times is that occurred? Yes.
2 times sir.
2 times. But only one time is print. One time it is first occurrence is removed. Okay, and we are not removing the next occurrence. So that is what here. Remove method which can remove only first occurrence. In the same way, pop method which can remove the first occurrence. But if you want to remove multiple times, how many times it has occurred? For that we will go for the different method. Next, reverse method reverses the order of the elements. So here if you see, fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry, orange, pineapple. Fruits dot reverse method. Then again, so once reverse method is applied on the fruits list, then all will be printed reverse order. Then print here fruits. Then first pineapple is printed, next orange is printed, next cherry is printed, next banana is printed, next last apple is printed. Right. Next, here I have taken the strings. Then one more example here, and I will take the only integers. List is equal to, here all the integers are there. Now on this list, reverse I am applying, then printing the reverse. Now once reverse is applied, then first 12 is printed, next 11 is printed. So that is last to, that is we can say end to first, the reverse order. End to first is printed. And here the reverse applied on the string elements. Here the reverse applied on the integer elements. Both are listed. Yes.
In the previous example of remove, If we want to remove even duplicates also, which function should we use, sir? Pop or remove?
Your pop and remove both will remove the only their only first occurrence. But if you want to remove number of times, for that we have to change the condition. We have to change the condition. That is there.
What condition?
That we'll see later on. Okay. Next, copy. Copy method, it is a copy to specified list, and then which creates a new list. For example, if you take it, fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry, orange, and fruits. The fruits is what here given list. Dot copy. Copy method I am applying. All this, whatever the items are there in the fruits, all are copied and assigned to another variable, another list variable x. Now x I am printing. Same thing, apple, banana, cherry, orange. That means what here? Copying the items of the fruits, to the fruits to the x. X is actually initially variable. Now this becomes what? List. This becomes what here? List. Now next is the list is equal to, here I done this copy method. I applied copy method on only for the string elements. But now here one more example I am taking. I apply this copy method on the integer variables, integer values. List is equal to, here integer elements are there, integer elements. Now here x is equal to list dot copy. Whatever the elements are there in the list, all are copied and assigned to x. Now x is what here? New list. Now printing x. So all are printed. This thing. Next, Python collection arrays. There are 4 collection data types. We are know. So basically there are 4 built-in data types for collection of variables. There are 4 built-in data types to hold the collection of items. One is the list, one is the tuple, and next one is the set, next one is the dictionary. Now list is a collection which is ordered and changeable and allows duplicate numbers also. Now tuple is what here? Tuple is also collection of items which is also ordered but which is unchangeable. Tuple cannot be changed, right? If you want to delete one particular item in the tuple, that is not possible. But it can also allows the duplicate items. It can also allows the duplicate items. Next, set is a collection of items which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. No duplicate members are allowed. This is called the closed set. Next, dictionary. Dictionary is what? Here also collection of items which is ordered and changeable. Now no duplicates are allowed. So this is about the this is about the 4 data types: list type, tuple, set, and dictionary. So to hold any collection of items, any collection of objects, any collection of numbers, any collection of strings, we are having a 4 data types. One is the list, second one is the tuple, third one is the set, fourth one is the dictionary. That's the thing. Now look at here. Set items are unchangeable, but you can remove or add items whenever you like it. Here what I'm saying here, set items are unchangeable, I'm saying, but if you want to remove it or add items to you, then we can also do it. That is a different way is there. As of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered, but in case of the Python 3.6, the dictionaries are unordered. Next, going to the tuple. If you see tuple is the collection of objects which are ordered and which are unchangeable items. Allows duplicate values, just like a list. But what is the difference between tuple and list? List is changeable, tuple is unchangeable. List is a collection of items. Tuple is a collection of items. Both are same. And list is changeable, but here tuple is unchangeable. Now, list is written in square brackets. Tuple can be written in the rounded brackets. Getting or not? So that is the thing. Next, now take one example. Tuple1 is equal to, this is a tuple1. We are tuple always we have to write by using the rounded brackets. Here I am providing a one item. One is the physics, one is the physics, chemistry. Next, one integer and two. So two items are what here? Strings. Two items are what here? Integers. Now I am printing. Top one is a printing. As is printed. Now top two is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am printing top two. So as is they are printed. Now top three I am taking. Look at here. This is also possible without rounded braces or without parentheses. You can also write the items of a tuple and assign to a tuple variable. Top three is what here? Tuple variable. To which I am okay. This is consisting of how many items? 4 items. A, B, C, D. All these are what here? They are the strings. Now top three is equal to. Now you are printing it. Now how they are printed? They are printed like a tuple only. They are printed like a tuple only. Next, empty tuple is written as two parentheses. Two parentheses. How to now empty tuple means what here? It contains nothing. No elements. Nothing. Now tuple one is equal to, okay, this is empty tuple. You can represent like this. Okay, that is opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis. In between there are no elements. Tuple one, then printed what? Empty tuple. Tuple containing a single value. You then how to write it? Then tuple one is equal to, okay, opening parenthesis, then 50, then comma, then semicolon. At the end, semicolon. Then if you print it top one, then as it is printed 50 comma printed in between the two parentheses. Next, getting Sudarshan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, tuple items are indexed. Even in the same way as we have seen in the list where the every element is indexed. In the same way, here also we are here also the tuple items are indexed. Tuple items are indexed. Now that first item in the tuple is what? 0. We have to write in a square brackets. Second item index as what here? 1. And third item 2, and so on. Like string indices, tuple indices start with 0 and they can be sliced or concatenated and so on. Sliced means what here? That means what? The tuples you can print from one range to the next range. That's the slicing. Next, ordered. When you say that tuples are ordered, that means the items have a defined order. That order will not be changed. That order will not be changed. Now look at here, unchangeable. Tuples are unchangeable, meaning that what? We cannot change the tuple. Now we can add or remove items after tuple has been created. That means what here? Once the tuple is created, adding an item to a tuple or removing an item to a tuple is not possible. Is not possible. Right? Next, how to access the values of a tuples? How to access the values in a tuple? Now, if you see, you can access the okay, just this is the last slide. Then later, so I'll close it. Listen. Now, top one is equal to physics, chemistry, and these things are there. 4 items are there. Print top one. This is the message I am giving. Okay, this is the top one of 0th position. 0th position. Okay, top one 0th position. 0th position. What is there? F1 index 0. Index 0. Which item is that? It is next tuple 2. Here I am taking only the integer elements. Now tuple of 1, okay, colon 5. What is that meaning here? So 1 to, okay, index 1 to index 5. Index 1 to index 5 are index 1 to fifth element. Index 1, 2 element is there. Index next 3, next 4, next 5. Up to 5 elements are printed. So first one is the index position. It starts here. So then up to 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to fifth element. So they are printed here. They are printed. Next, top one of 0 is 100. You want to insert it. Insert is invalid. At 0th position, you want to insert a 100. It's not possible. But you can concatenate the two tuples. That means what? Top 1 elements and top 2 elements. So tuple 1 elements and tuple 2 elements both are concatenated. And if you print tuple 3, then both will be again. It is a new tuple is coming. Big tuple. First, what here is a new tuple. First 3 items are what here? They belongs to a first tuple, and the remaining 2 are what here? Second tuple. That's the thing. So with this, I will close it. And now again, one more thing. To explicitly remove an entire tuple, just use the del statement. For example, tuple is there. Now tuple we are printing del tuple. Okay, then here complete tuple is deleted. Here complete tuple is deleted. Again, if you want to print tuple, tuple is no more. Tuple is no more. Tuple is no more because already we applied the del. Delete is a what a command which is deleting what here? All the elements completely, not all the completely tuple is itself is deleted. Again here printing tuple. Again it's showing error. Here also error because already we have removed the deleted the tuple. So with this I conclude, and tomorrow we'll see the rest of the things. Okay. Thank you very much.
Students, am I audible to you?